Hi everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce you to the new limited edition Home for the Holidays card kit. I'm going to walk you through all the contents of this kit, starting with the new and exclusive Home for the Holidays stamp set. This is one of the larger sizes. It's 6x8. A lot of fun imagery. A lot of holiday sentiments that include Merry Christmas from our home to yours. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Wishes of peace and joy. Home for the holidays. Believe. There's a 25. Season's greetings and joy. For the imagery, we have ornaments, fireplace, stocking, log cabin, a snowman, some snowflakes, a little greenery. Kind of has a vintage feel. Next up, you're going to get one sheet of each design from the Simple Stories Vintage Holly Jolly 6x8-inch paper pack. Look at this one. It's a Santa's Workshop time card. And on the back, kind of a red and black plaid. Here we have some Santas with a red and black grid. Some of these look like signage, but they're like vintagey. Look at these, the little rosettes, and all kind of coordinates with the red and green. This looks like an old newspaper with the gingham red and white check, and all different colors of checks and patterns, ornaments, polka dots. These could be cut out and made into individual tags, or you could just use this as a background for cards. I love to use pattern paper for my tags, for my little boxes and things to put gift cards in, little favor boxes. Look at this cute pattern. You could cut these up, use them as tags. So that is the Simple Stories Vintage Holly Jolly 6x8-inch paper, double-sided. Look at the crossword puzzle. So fun. Okay, next is the new and exclusive Festive Snowman die set, and I've die cut it to show you how cute it is, also for size. A lot of little details here with the top hat, big bow, rosy cheeks, buttons, carrot nose, and it's got a happy little smile. Next is the new and exclusive Ho Ho Hello die set. I've die cut this one as well, just out of white and red. I love the postage edging to it. There's a tiny little circle die that I die cut at the top, makes like a hole for a tag. You could thread ribbon or twine and tie it to a gift. You could also just omit that altogether and not have a hole at the top. So it gives you versatility. That one's really fun. This is really cute. The new and exclusive layered Rosette stencil set, along with the coordinating layered rosettes die set. So the stencil set includes 4x4-inch stencils, and you layer them up to create a customizable rosette. You can customize the colors, and then the die has 3 dies in it, so you could layer up your rosette. And then we have the Rainbow Splash Swiss Dots embossing folder. This is a classic. I love the Rainbow Splash embossing folders. They're a little bit thinner. They emboss beautifully. The Swiss dot kind of pattern is a classic. It never goes out of style. Great for the holidays, but good for any time of the year. Then next we have some Tim Holtz Ideology 2024 Christmas sticker book. This includes over 400 stickers. So there are a lot of different sentiments, a lot of different choices, and each one is kind of a thin little sentiment strip, if you will. And you can use, mix and match, use all different ones, layer them together, or just use one on a card. There's a great mixture of fonts, different sizes. With over 400 to choose from, you're definitely going to find something that suits your needs. And then there's some that are unique here, like long strips of patterns. Here's one that says A Merry Little Christmas, and it repeats. These would be fun to put on an envelope. And then here's some little one. I love these. There's red and green. And again, they're just stickers. You can pop them up with foam tape. You can stick them right to a tag or to a card, to a scrapbook, to whatever you want to stick them to. Okay. And then we have Tim Holtz Ideology Deer Stand and Figure. Look at this little, and it's kind of heavy duty metal too. It comes off. You can use the deer by itself, stick it on the stand, and it's like propped up there. And you know what it reminds me of? Like a Monopoly game piece. It's hefty in the hand. Feels like a quality piece of metal. Next up is a package of Simple Stories Vintage Holly Jolly Layered bits and pieces. And this is a pack of 15 cardstock die cut ephemera bits and pieces, and they have that vintage feel, like little tags, perfect to add to any holiday projects, whether it be a card, a goodie bag, a gift tag. And they have that commercial feel, so you could staple them, paper clip them. It almost reminds me of a dry cleaning receipt, something like that, and it's really cute. So these are the Simple Stories Vintage Holly Jolly Layered Bits and Pieces. Next up is a Crafter's Companion Tri-Blend Brush Marker in dark red. These are really fun. If you're kind of dipping your toes into the coloring and you don't know where to begin, this is one marker, but it gives you 3 colors. And I'll take it out of the packaging to show you how this works. So it looks like a long marker, but it's actually 3 markers in one. And it gives you the light red, the medium red, and the dark red. 3 shades in one marker. That's the Crafter's Companion Tri-Blend Brush Marker in dark red. Also included in this limited edition card kit is a package of assorted circle tags. In the package there are 6 tags. They're all white with a silver metallic border, kind of a sturdy border. They have a hole punched already in them. They measure 1.5 inches. And there's also some twine in the package. The twine is kind of also metallic. It's a mixture of white and gold, I would say. And there's enough in there to thread all 6 of those circle tags. Next up is 1 sheet of Tim Holtz Ideology Deco sheet in green. You get all the glitter without the mess. These are adhesive backed. Peel off the backing, stick it to cardstock, and it's perfect for die cutting holiday shapes or word dies. Also included in the kit is 1/2 sheet of Positively Velvet Luxury cardstock in Snow White. This is plush, great for a Santa cap. It gives you that fluffy feeling. You just want to touch it. It's luxury cardstock in Snow White. You're also going to get 2 sheets, 1 sheet of Nina Solar White, 110 pound, 1 sheet of Nina Desert Storm, 100 pound, 2 envelopes included in the kit, 1 white A2 size self-adhesive, and 1 Audrey Blue A2 size self-adhesive. And that is all the contents of this limited edition Home for the Holidays card kit. Before we go, I wanted to share a couple projects that I've created using this kit. Here I featured the layered rosette stencil set with the layered rosettes die. I stamped a sentiment from the Home for the Holidays stamp set. Here I used the festive snowman die, the Swiss dot embossing folder, one of the Simple Stories pattern paper for the background, and even a Tim Holtz Ideology Christmas sticker. Check out the Simon Says Stamp blog for more information and inspiration about this limited edition Home for the Holidays card kit. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.